Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can name a project in Bandlab, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I am in a sort of test project, which I have made with only a blank voice and audio track, and I'll be explaining to you guys how you can, well, pretty much just rename this project. Now, as you can see, at the top it says test, and I did rename it to this. Originally it just read new project, and I'll be explaining what that does in a minute. But yeah, as you can see, you just type here and you just delete it, and as you can see, if I just keep it blank, it just says new project. And if I go and type, for example, tutorial, I can then go ahead and save the project, or it'll save it itself. Since it is empty, I cannot publish it at all. Or rather allow me just to add a drum machine, for example, a basic. It still won't publish it, but it doesn't really matter. If you try and publish it with a new project title, it'll ask you to enter the title of the project so that it can publish it under that name. And I forgot what exactly happens. However, if you go into the top left menu, go under project and into download, and then mix down as, it'll give you the option to download your project in a, well, with a choice of 4 different formats. And then possibly when you're saving the file to your PC, it might give you the option to rename it. I'm not sure if that works, or if it just automatically downloads with this title. I'm pretty sure it automatically puts this in. You might be able to change it, or if it's just new project, it'll probably prompt you to change it. But pretty much that is all you need to know. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.